So we're starting with our normal strength set to set it off. It's going to be 4 sets of 12 alternating shoulder press, okay? So you'll grab 2 dumbbells or whatever weights you have. Arms are going to be up at a 90 degree, and then alternating, you're going to be pressing up 1 to full extension, back to that 90 degree, press up 2. All the weights of 12 on each side are 24 total. You're keeping your core tight, you're not hyperextending through the back, so you don't want to be like this. Keep everything tight at that full extension. After that, we're going into 50 calf raises. You can use something for balance if you struggle with that, so you can hold on to something. You can do both feet. To make it harder, you can either elevate yourself on a plate or a ledge. If you have a step outside, you can do that. Increase range of motion, or add 2 dumbbells in your hand to increase that resistance. 50 reps is a lot on the calves, so if you don't train them a lot, just make sure you're not pushing the weight too much. You don't want to be walking around limping for the next couple days. After 4 sets of those 2 movements alternating between the 2, we're going to move into the workout, which is a 5-minute run. If you're running outside, it would be 2.5 minutes out, 2.5 minutes back. If you're standing in place, you can run in place, you can do mountain climbers, you can mix it up, move your body. If you want to bike, we're fine with that too. Use what you got. It's 5 minutes of running, and then you're going into 50 med ball or dumbbell cleans, depending on what equipment you have. I'm going to demo both. So, med ball, you're going to be here, arms are extended, balls right in between your feet. My back is really straight, and then from there I'm coming up to full extension, pulling, and then landing underneath the ball, standing up out of it. That's 1 rep, so it looks like this. Okay? You're letting that ball spin in your hands, catching underneath it, standing up out of the squat. We'll be doing 50 of those. If you don't have a ball, that's okay. Just go ahead and use dumbbells. Same thing though, you're coming down, back sitting really straight. You're cleaning it, catching it in a squat, standing up out of it. Reset. Stand up, okay? It's going to be 50 of those. If you finish early, if you don't have a lot of weight to work with, we're going to be repeating that a second time. If you have heavier weights, go ahead and use those, and this should elapse the whole class time, okay?
Hey guys, Game of Fitness. We're going to go through a really quick warm-up. You guys can use this every day. Doesn't matter the workout, the intent of this warm-up is to be very full body oriented, so it doesn't matter what we're hitting, it'll be covered in this warm-up. So go ahead and start this with us, go through it with us, and go ahead and use this before each one. Even though we are putting you through a warm-up, some of you guys are doing this from home, so if you're not doing it virtually, follow along with us right now. So what we're going to go ahead and do, feet hip width together. We're going to reach up towards the sky, and we're going to come down, tap your toes. Right now, I'm not worried about your back being straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Okay, so same thing, feet are hip width. We're going to go into good mornings. I'm going to turn to the side. Shoulder blades stay pulled back. If I curl up top, this stretch does nothing for engaging the hamstrings. 1, all the way up. 2, all the way up. Push that butt back. 3, all the way up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Next movement, we're going to alternate through high kicks. So what I'm doing is I'm bringing my leg up to my opposite hand, kicking up, trying to keep that leg as straight as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead and add another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next movement, we're gonna get that hip going. So we're gonna just come up and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, same leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and switch legs. We're going to go the knee out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. All right, legs straight out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Next one, we're going to air squats for 10. Spread the feet out a little bit. 1, 2, all the way up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Okay, we're going to the lunge. When we do this lunge, if you want to go from the mat, you can go from the mat. But I want us to reach up the top. 1, back to standing. 2, back to standing. 3, back to standing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next movement, trunk twist. I'm pivoting on my feet as I'm doing this. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, and 20. Next, in the windmills, nice and wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more, guys. 10. Good. Next movement, arm circles. Forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and change direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're getting this bent over position. 1, arms straight out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go ahead and go to 20 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, and 20. Good job, guys.